little bit of DIY for a change. So Hunter and I are loading up stones in one of the back fields. I don't know, I guess it's limestone maybe, but we're trying to find thin rocks to put under the arbor that's in the orchard because I can get the mower under it, but it's not pretty and I don't want to risk banging into it anymore because I have a pretty wide mower deck. So here we're gathering rocks, and the idea is to level out the soil a bit, put these down, put some gravel in between, and then plants like creeping thyme and some other plants that will grow in between to keep the weeds out. But I don't know what happened back here at one point, but there's a lot of erosion, and so plenty of rocks to choose from. So Hunter and I pulled some more stone out of the backwoods. We tried to find stone that is really thin. We're putting it really close together and doing like a makeshift sidewalk under this arbor, so it's just easier to keep it. I don't want to have to mow it and put a lawnmower in. And I'm really curious, this is paver sand and then like a pea gravel that I picked up at Home Depot. There's no cement or adhesive type thing I'm using, so I don't know if this is really going to stick or not. I don't know if a hard rain is going to wash it away, but we're just patting it around. And then the idea is I've got some like creeping thyme and some other plants that I'm going to put in the bigger cracks. So this is what it looks like right now. Still got a few left on the truck. I think we finally pulled enough, but I don't know, hopefully this works and it's not in vain. I did not expect the pea gravel to look this orange. Didn't look that way in the bag, but maybe it will weather with time. We had a good rain this afternoon and it held up, so I don't know, maybe it's gonna be okay. But I just wanted to show you, here's different types of thyme, these little like steppable products that, you know, they're plants that can go in pathways and supposed to do fine with not much water and some abuse of being stepped on. So I need to get quite a bit more, but the idea is to plant these kinds of materials so the roots will help anchor everything down and it'll look better. But I don't want to have to get the mower through this arbor, and I don't want to have to weed whack it either. So hopefully this is going to keep the grass and weeds out.